Aren't you tired of stubborn weight that refuses to melt despite endless diets and crazy workouts? I've been there, feeling like I was losing the weight loss battle against my own body. But what if I told you that in the course of my struggles, I discovered 5 natural weight loss supplements that actually melt the most stubborn fats without exercising? Each of these fat loss pills actively burns belly fats, boosts your energy, and reignites your passion for a healthy lifestyle? I'll be exploring duotrim, Nagano tonic, Java burn, LeanBliss, Calm Lean, and Lanta flat shakes, so you can choose the perfect match for yourself at a promo price that will end soon. But note that they aren't magic pills that guarantee overnight miracles. I'm talking about supplements that must be paired with a balanced diet to achieve the best result. I'm super excited to share every step of my journey with you. Here's the lineup. 1. Duotrim, the supplement that aims to supercharge your metabolism and tame those relentless cravings. 2. Nagano tonic, a refreshing liquid tonic designed to boost digestion and naturally enhance your energy. 3. Java burn, a clever twist on your morning coffee, turning it into a powerful fat-burning elixir. 4. LeanBliss, a supplement that promises to balance your appetite and provide steady energy without the crash. 5. Lanta flat shakes, nutritious, delicious meal replacement shakes that keep you satisfied and support your weight loss goals. Click the link in the description or comment section to gain instant access to either of these supplements at a promo price today, ending soonest. Now let's break down what each of these products has to offer and how they fit into my weight loss plan. 1. Duotrim, the kickstart your metabolism needs. What it is. Duotrim is designed to give your metabolism a significant boost while curbing the cravings that often sabotage your diet. The idea is to help your body convert food into energy more efficiently, so instead of storing extra calories as fat, your body burns them off. My experience. When I first started taking Duotrim, I was cautious but hopeful. I mixed it into my routine as recommended and soon began noticing subtle changes. I wasn't overwhelmed by hunger pangs between meals, and my energy levels seemed to stay more consistent throughout the day. Sure, it wasn't an overnight miracle, but it felt like my body was finally getting the hint that it needed to work a little harder. What I really appreciated about Duotrim was its natural approach. I didn't feel like I was loading my system with synthetic chemicals. This was something that worked with my body's natural processes. My workouts became slightly easier, and I even found myself motivated to try that extra rep or two. Duotrim isn't a magic solution, but it was a great kickstart for my metabolism, setting the stage for more active fat burning. Why it's worth trying. If you're stuck in a cycle of constant hunger and sluggish energy, Duotrim might be that little nudge you need. It's designed to work with your body, enhancing the way you metabolize food and burn calories, making your weight loss journey just a bit smoother. Click the link in the description or comment section to visit the official website of Duotrim Double Action Fat Burning Supplement today at a promo price today, ending soonest. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Nagano tonic, refresh, digest, and energize. What it is. Nagano tonic isn't your typical capsule or pill. It's a liquid tonic that's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Its primary function is to support healthy digestion, which is crucial for effective weight loss. When your digestive system is in top shape, your body can absorb nutrients more efficiently and shed excess weight more easily. My experience, I started my mornings with Nagano tonic mixed in a glass of water, and I was pleasantly surprised by its refreshing taste. Unlike some supplements that can be a chore to take, Nagano tonic felt like a natural, invigorating part of my routine. Over time, I noticed that I felt less bloated and more comfortable after meals, a small change that made a huge difference in how I felt overall. Good digestion is often the unsung hero of weight loss. If your gut isn't happy, nothing else will be. Nagano tonic helped me feel like I was truly nourishing my body, making it easier to stick to my healthy eating plan. With better digestion, I found that my energy levels were more consistent, and I even started to see slight improvements in my weight loss progress. Why it's worth trying. If you've ever struggled with bloating or digestive discomfort, Nagano tonic could be a game changer. It's an easy, enjoyable way to support your body's natural processes and make sure that every meal is working in your favor. Java Burn. Transforming your coffee into a fat-burning brew. Java Burn takes your everyday cup of coffee and transforms it into a potent fat-burning drink. It's designed to work synergistically with caffeine to boost your metabolism and help your body burn calories more effectively. My experience. As a coffee lover, I was excited by the idea of enhancing my morning ritual. I added Java Burn to my coffee, and the result was a surprisingly rich, flavorful beverage that gave me an immediate boost. Not only did my coffee taste great, but I also felt a surge of energy that seemed to last well into my morning workout. The combination of caffeine and the specialized ingredients in Java Burn made my body feel more alert and ready to take on the day. What I found most appealing about Java Burn was its simplicity. Instead of adding another supplement to my regimen, I was able to integrate it directly into my coffee. It was a seamless way to supercharge my metabolism without altering my daily routine too drastically. Plus, the extra energy meant I could push a little harder during my workouts and feel more focused throughout the day. For those who can't start the day without coffee, Java Burn is an excellent addition. It transforms your morning beverage into a fat-burning powerhouse, making it a natural and convenient way to boost your metabolism from the moment you wake up. LeanBliss, keeping hunger at bay and energy on point. LeanBliss is formulated to help manage appetite and provide a steady, balanced energy boost throughout the day. It targets those pesky hunger pangs that can derail your diet, ensuring you stay on track without feeling deprived. I began incorporating LeanBliss into my routine during the mid-afternoon slump, a time when cravings and fatigue often hit hardest. Almost immediately, I noticed a difference. Instead of the usual urge to snack mindlessly, I felt a controlled sense of hunger that was manageable. I was able to stick to my planned meals, and those annoying cravings seemed to fade into the background. One of the biggest challenges in any weight loss journey is dealing with constant hunger. LeanBliss helped me feel more satisfied between meals, which meant I wasn't tempted to indulge in unhealthy snacks. The natural ingredients in LeanBliss provided a smooth, gradual energy boost without the jittery spikes that some energy supplements cause. The steady lift allowed me to focus better on my work and even improved my overall mood throughout the day. Why it's worth trying. If you find yourself battling midday hunger and energy crashes, LeanBliss might be the answer. It offers a balanced approach to appetite control and energy support, making it easier to stay committed to your weight loss goals without feeling constantly deprived. Click the link in the description or comment section to visit the official website of LeanBliss Fat Burning Supplement today at a promo price today, ending soonest. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Lanta Flat Shakes, the delicious, nutritious meal replacement. What it is. Lanta Flat Shakes aren't just about cutting calories. They're about nourishing your body with a balanced mix of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. These meal replacement shakes are designed to keep you full and satisfied while providing the nutrients you need to support your weight loss journey. My experience. On days when I was too busy to cook or simply didn't have the energy for a full meal, Lanta Flat Shakes became my go-to solution. I tried several flavors, and I was delighted by the natural, delicious taste. Unlike some meal replacements that leave you feeling unsatisfied or craving more, Lanta Flat Shakes delivered on both nutrition and flavor. By using these shakes as a part of my meal planning, I found it much easier to manage my portion sizes and avoid the temptation of unhealthy snacks. Each shake was a balanced, nutritious meal that kept me going until my next proper meal. Not only did I feel full longer, but I also had more energy to devote to my workouts and daily activities. It's like having a mini wholesome meal in a bottle, a perfect solution for busy days. Why it's worth trying. For anyone who struggles with meal prep or finds themselves skipping meals due to a hectic schedule, Lanta Flat Shakes can be a lifesaver. They offer a quick, nutritious option that supports your weight loss goals without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. Click the link in the description or comment section to gain instant access to either of these supplements at a promo price today. Ending soonest. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button for more weight loss success stories. My challenge to you, now that I've shared my experience, I want to challenge you. If you're feeling stuck, if you've been frustrated with the endless cycle of diets and workouts that don't deliver the results you crave, consider exploring these supplements as part of your journey.